Hey guys, Marsha here. Welcome back to my channel. On this channel, we talk about how to make money passively online, hands-free money, okay? That's what we talk about. That's what we do here. So this week, we're going to do an update on NVFX Automated Capital, where we are, what's going on, the new changes, all that good stuff. Before I do, though, I just want to say that I am not a financial advisor. I am not your financial advisor. I'm just sharing my journey here. I'm just a single mom sharing my journey here, in the crypto space. All right. I'm enjoying investing. So always please remember to do your own due diligence and never, ever, ever invest what you're not willing to lose. Okay, guys, with that said, I'm gonna share my screen. So automated capital has changed their Telegram group because I went looking for it and I was like, man, where are they? I couldn't find it. But the person, the person that I signed up with, I reached out and they, of course, told us that they have changed Telegram group. So this is a new Telegram group because, of course, the old Telegram group, I guess, was, full of scammers. So they're everywhere, guys. Please be careful. Please put on your 2FAs on your account and your KYCs, guys. Like these scammers knows no bound. Okay, so just be careful out there with your accounts. So this is their new Telegram group, and so far they have just this is just a group just to show, I guess, what they've made, the profits for the week, and any news or whatever they want us to know, or any updates per se. So this is what's going on in this group. So far with automated capital for the month of October, we've already accumulated 5.93% so far. And like I said, they're continuing to grow. I like automated capital. I really do. I believe in this platform. I feel like they're gonna be here for a while. They're very transparent even with their losses. They're very transparent. Nothing is hidden. Like we've had huge loss a while back, but a couple weeks ago. But I think now they're trying to redeem themselves and just trying to grow our accounts as they should, because that's what we sign up for, right? We sign up so that we can grow our money. All right, this is my account this week. I think so far for this week, yeah, I've earned. I'm earning. My account is growing. It's growing. And I like it. I like the growth. It's consistent. So the week before I've grown also, and then this week also was another growth. I've earned more profit this week. Like I said, I like the small consistency. I don't mind the huge wins. I just don't want the huge loss. So if I can get small, consistent wins, I'm happy with that. All right. So this is what's going on with my account. I'm down to $689, and I do believe that my account is going to grow. I mean, bigger. All right, it's going to take time, but I feel like they're gonna, like I said, they're gonna redeem themselves, and they're gonna grow our accounts humongously. That's the goal anyway. That's what my goals are with this. All right, so for those of you who do not know what NVFX is, NVFX is a platform that allows us to create a Pamm account, and they trade on our behalf, and they give us anywhere from, I'm gonna say, between 5 to 30% a month on whatever package you've chosen to get invested with. Okay. This in my description, guys, I have a step-by-step PDF that's going to tell you exactly how to get started, how to fund your account, what packages to choose from, because we have different packages available. So you just gonna have to make the conscious decision and come in at where you fit in. Okay, the packages we have starting from gold all the way up to, let me tell you, hold on, all the way up to presidential diamond. And just for the gold level, the minimum to get started with gold is $500. I started with gold. I started with $1,200 about over a month ago. And, like I said, apart from the loss that we've all experienced huge loss to our account. But apart from that, I really feel like they're a great platform and they're gonna get us out better on the other side. Now you have the presidential diamond. You have the VIP, and that minimum is 25K. You have the VIP diamond, and that's 100K. You have the presidential diamond, and that's over 500K. So you come in wherever you see fit, and yeah, you create an account, and that's it. Really, all you really need to do after creating an account is to log in and see where or how much you've made for the week. That's it. Everything is automated, hence the name. So all you literally have to do, and I like that. I like this with like I love these programs. Like I said, I love these hands-free money program because once you bought in or you come in at whatever is suitable for you, and they start making money on your behalf, and all you literally have to do is just check to see how much percentage you've accumulated for that week. Now, this is a trading platform, so every Sunday they start trading. Every Sunday evening, the Forex market is open at 5 p.m. and they close trades. I would say from Thursday to Friday morning, they close out and trade. So there's no trades being done on Saturdays. They're off on Saturdays, okay? So on Sunday evenings, they're at 5 p.m. That's when the market opens, and then they resume on whatever balance you've accumulated or whatever your balance is for that week with the profits that you've accumulated for that week. They start trading on that new balance the following Sunday. All right, pretty easy stuff. I mean, like I said, it's very self-explanatory. Everything is very simplistic. I love simplicity, okay? Like I'm at the age right now where I do not want no confusion when it comes to making money. I want everything to be clear as day and transparent. So simpler the better. So and that's what I like with this program. That is very, very simple and easy to get started with. I started with Bitcoin and I got my Bitcoin off Instacoin. And the reason for me doing that is just because when I had it to use within 10 minutes, as opposed to when, Coinbase, if I had bought it with Coinbase, I would have to wait like 2 weeks before I have access to that Bitcoin. So I love Coinbase, just hate how they want to hold on to your Bitcoin until when they feel like they should give it to you, but whatever. So I got started with Instacoin, which was very convenient for me. My upline told me to start with Instacoin, and that's what I did. I went on Instacoin and I purchased some Bitcoin, and within a matter of minutes, it was available and accessible for my use to be on whatever platform I desire to send it to. All right, so you can do the same thing. Like I said, I will leave all the description, the step-by-step instruction in the description box below, along with my link on how you can sign up. All right. So basically, yeah, that's what NVFX is. NVFX is a trading platform that have come together with, or should I say, they affiliate themselves with Automated Capital to create a platform for its users to create a Pamm account, and they trade on our behalf based on whatever you've decided to invest into the platform, and you can earn a return, or should I say a profit of 5 to 30% a month, depending on market conditions. All right. So yeah, hands-free money. I really like them, and I really do, honestly feel like they are, they're like I said, with everything. That's why the disclaimer: trading is risky, guys. It really is. Your results will vary and are not guaranteed. So with any investment, really, there's no guarantees in it, and that's how we do not like to guarantee anything. That's why I always make sure that you research this. But apart from that, this is an amazing platform as well. We're going to continue to praise Automated Capital and as we enjoy our profits each and every Friday, each and every week, and as our account grow, all right, from small to big or from small to large, huge. Okay, that's the goal over here. All right, guys. And I hope that's a goal for you as well. I will leave all the links in the description so you can get signed up and start making this money. That's my time for this week with this program. I hope you have a wonderful and blessed rest of your week and day, and we will talk soon, guys. Take care.